All right, let's unbox the FanttikOutdoor Camping Tent. First impression, this bag feels light but sturdy. Zippers glide smoothly, no snagging at all. Opening the carry bag, everything's neatly packed. Poles are pre-installed, which is a huge time saver. Let's test the instant setup claim. Here goes. Pulling out the tent, unfolding it on the ground. Poles snap into place instantly, no fumbling required. Counting 1, 2, 3, done in under a minute. Seriously, that was under 60 seconds. Impressive. Beginner campers, you'll love this quick setup. Now let's check the tent's interior space. Dimensions: 120 by 108 inches. Pretty spacious. Fits a queen air mattress with room to spare. Maximum height is 66 inches. Standing upright is easy. Perfect for families or groups of up to 6. Material feels high quality, polyester, imported, durable. Let's look at the windproof and waterproof features. Removable canopy adds stability in windy conditions. Strong camping pegs and adjustable ropes included. Checking the fabric, it's thick and water repellent. Rainfly covers the top and zippers prevent leaks. No water pooling near the door even after rain. Inside stays dry, which is essential for comfort. Let's talk ventilation. Mesh windows on all 4 sides. Floor vents and mesh ceiling keep air flowing. Temperature inside feels cooler, even in summer heat. Mesh design lets you stargaze at night. Beautiful. Windows offer panoramic views of the outdoors. Privacy flaps easily zip up when needed. Checking the zippers, SBS brand, buttery smooth. No catching or sticking, even with repeated use. Mesh yarn is fine-textured, feels durable and strong. Frame is carbon structural steel, rock-solid stability. Protective sleeves on every extension for added safety. Pads on frame corners prevent accidental damage. Tent weighs only 16.8 pounds, easy to carry. Carry bag fits everything snugly, no struggle. Power cord entrance for connecting external devices. Mesh pockets inside for storing small essentials. Let's do a quick wind test. Tent holds firm. Ropes and pegs keep it anchored, no shifting. Rain test. Water beads off, no leaks inside. Floor stays dry, gear protected from moisture. Ventilation test. Windows open, fresh air circulates. Even with windows closed, air doesn't get stuffy. Nighttime. Mesh ceiling gives a clear view of stars. Interior lighting possible through power cord entrance. Family fits comfortably, no cramped feeling. Setup and takedown are both fast and simple. No complicated instructions, just unfold and snap. Materials feel premium, built to last many trips. Great for beginner campers and outdoor enthusiasts. Perfect for family camping, hiking, or road trips. If you want hassle-free camping, this tent delivers. Windproof and waterproof features give peace of mind. Ventilation and views make summer camping enjoyable. Portability means easy packing and transport. I'd recommend this tent for families and groups. Ideal for anyone who values convenience and comfort. If you hate complicated setups, this is for you. No warnings here, just solid performance all around. The FanttikOutdoor tent is a game changer for camping. Ready for your next adventure? Grab this tent. Unbox, set up, and enjoy the outdoors in minutes. Don't waste time. Spend it with family and nature. Check the link below to get yours now. Like and follow for more honest gear reviews. Drop questions in the comments. I'll answer them all. See you at the campsite. Happy camping, everyone!